Want to control what your kids watch on Netflix using your Android phone? In this video, I'll show you how to set maturity limits and lock profiles with a pin to keep things safe. Let's get started. Open the Netflix app, tap any profile, tap the profile icon in the right side labeled My Netflix. Select Account. This will open Netflix's account page. Now, under the Profile section, you will see Adjust Parental Control option. Tap on it. Now choose a verification method to verify it's you who's logging in to parental controls. After that, you will see the profile maturity rating for Netflix. Pick the maturity rating level you feel is appropriate. Optionally, you can add specific titles you don't want your child to watch. Type in the title and block it. And after all is done, tap Save. That's it. You've successfully set up Netflix parental controls on your Android device.